Hi everyone, welcome to edquest. I'm your instructor, and in last session we have learned about GitHub Actions, like how we can automate workflows directly within your GitHub repository. Now we will set up a self-hosted local runner for GitHub Action. So let's dive into. For setting up self-hosted runner, we require Linux server, admin access to the GitHub repository. We will execute few GitHub registration commands. We will write a sample hello world workflow, and we will push that code to the GitHub and validate that pipeline on the self-hosted runner. So let's get back to the repository. Here is our MLOps end-to-end repository. On the top navigation of your repository, go to settings. This setting will be shown only when you have admin access. On the left side in actions, go to runners. We have already set up one runner. We will set up a new runner for this session. So click on the green button, new self-hosted runner. Choose your preferred operating system. I will choose Linux operating system, in which I have deployed one server in my local network. These are predefined to set up GitHub Action runner on our local server. First command is a simple command. Says make action runner and go to that action runner directory. So we will just copy this command, and this tool is a MOBA extension. You can create a one session, like I will give my local server IP. I will give the username. I have created a user deployer. Earlier I have created a one action runner directory, which was older runner directory. Now we will create a new action runner directory. Now this command is executed and we are in action runner directory. Let's get back to the commands and copy the other one. This command shows curl -o actions runner Linux. This will download the binary of action runner with the version of 2.324 tar.gz, and -l command denotes that it should redirect to the URL wherever this file will be present on the GitHub Actions. So we will copy this command, paste on this terminal and execute. It will take a couple of minutes to download this binary file, or you say tar.gz file. I will show you after this file get downloaded. Let me pause the video. I will come back when the binary file will be downloaded. So this action runner Linux tar.gz file is downloaded. As you can see in this directory, this says this file is being downloaded. So now let's get back to the GitHub commands. Now we will just validate this hash value, that signature value. This is an optional command, but if you want you can run. I will just paste this. This is the SHA value. It will verify this downloaded tar.gz file with the checksum, and it returns the OK. And let's get back to the command section. Now we will extract the tar file in the current directory, and it is extracted, as you can see. Now we will configure our repository with the token. So let's configure our repository. This is our repository code, and this is the authentication token, which we will configure to our GitHub runner and the repository. So let's execute this. Enter the name of runner group, add this runner to. Okay, so let's give one name, edquest-test. Could not find any self-hosted runner group name edquest-test. Okay, let's rerun again. So let's keep it default. Press enter for edquest. Okay, now here we will give the edquest -test because one runner is already on the GitHub, so we will not make the same runner. Okay, enter. Runner successfully added. Okay, it enter the name for work folder. We will keep as a default work. Okay, so our runner is set up. Now the last command is run.sh, so it will start our runner. We will execute run.sh. Yes, so now you can see the runner is started and it's listening for the jobs. So we will go back to the runners and verify is it started or not. See, we have created a edquest test runner and that is idle, which is listening for a job. So now let's back to our code. Here we have written a sample hello world YAML, which is a CI YAML. So we will just give another message like hello MLOps world, welcome to edquest, and keep learning MLOps. Okay, so this is the message. We will just print and test. Okay, let's go to the GitHub. We will just add, give a commit message, test a sample pipeline. Let's give a simple name, pipeline. This is a commit message, test a sample pipeline. Okay, and git push. So we have executed this. We have pushed the code to the Git repository. Let's back to the runner. As you can see, it says the running job say hello and gets back to the runner on the actions part of GitHub repository. Just click on this. So see, on main branch we have got now 30 seconds ago test a sample pipeline. In this you can see it says hello MLOps world, welcome to edquest and keep learning MLOps. So that's all from my end. You just build a first CI workflow with GitHub Actions. That's the foundational MLOps skill unlocked. So now we will try something real in the next session. We will automate an actual ML training pipeline and register our model with MLflow. Thanks for being with me. See you in next one.